Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to take live motion photos on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the camera app on your smartphone and from here just tap on more. Now just select live photos. Now once you select live photos, just capture a photo while moving your smartphone. Just like that. And once you have done that, just open the photo we have just taken. Now, if you tap and hold on the photo, you can see that we have taken a live photo, just like that. And this is how you can take live motion photos on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.